Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. You've probably heard the term generative AI everywhere. It's in the news, it's on social media, but what does it actually mean in simple terms? Today, we're going to break it down. So what is generative AI? At its core, generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create new, original content. This is the key difference. For a long time, AI was mostly used to analyze data, to spot trends, recognize faces, or categorize information. But generative AI, it creates. I like to use this simple analogy. Imagine a student studying art. A traditional AI student might memorize thousands of paintings and be able to tell you, that's a Van Gogh. But a generative AI student studies those thousands of paintings, learns the patterns, the brush strokes, the use of color, and can then create a brand new, original painting in the style of Van Gogh. It doesn't just analyze, it generates. So, how does this work in the real world? Let's look at a few examples you've probably already seen. First, and most common, is text generation. When you ask a chatbot a complex question, it's not pulling an answer from a database. It is generating a new, human-like response for you, right on the spot. It can also help you draft emails, write marketing copy, summarize long articles, and even write poetry or video scripts. Second, we have image generation. This is where things get really wild. You can give a simple text prompt like, create a photorealistic image of an astronaut riding a horse on Mars. And tools like DALL-E, Midjourney, or Stable Diffusion will generate that unique image for you from scratch. Every time you ask, you get a new, different result. Third, and this is a huge one for my fellow tech professionals, is code generation. A developer can now just write a comment, like, write a Python function to sort a list of names. And the AI will instantly write the correct, functional code to do it. This doesn't replace the developer, but it acts like an incredibly fast assistant, speeding up the entire development process. And finally, we have audio and music generation. AI can now compose new musical pieces. You could say, I need a relaxing background track for my video, and it will create one. It can also generate realistic human speech from text, or even clone a person's voice from just a short audio sample. So, to summarize, what's the big takeaway? For years, AI was an analyst. Now, with generative AI, it's also a creator. It's a powerful tool that is changing how we write, how we create art, and how we build software. It's not just about understanding data anymore. It's about creation. I hope this simple explanation was helpful. If you have any questions about generative AI, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech explanations. I'll see you in the next video.